Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace the alternator on your Lexus RX 350. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a ratchet, several sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin, and take a moment to locate the alternator, usually visible at the front of the engine bay. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the belt and electrical components. Using a serpentine belt tool or a long ratchet with a 14mm socket, relieve the tension on the drive belt. Once loose, carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Then, disconnect the main power cable and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Take a moment to inspect these wires for any signs of damage. With the belt and electrical connections out of the way, it's time to remove the old alternator. You'll typically find two main mounting bolts, often 14mm, that secure it to the engine. There's also a tricky, hidden 12mm bolt on a bracket at the back of the alternator that needs to be removed. Once all bolts are out, carefully wiggle and maneuver the old unit out of the engine bay. Always compare your new alternator to the old one to ensure they are identical. Finally, let's install your new alternator. Carefully place the new unit into position and secure it with all the mounting bolts, ensuring they are tightened properly. Reconnect the main power cable and the electrical connector. Next, route the serpentine belt correctly around all the pulleys, making sure it's seated properly. Once everything is reconnected, attach the negative battery terminal and start your vehicle to confirm the new alternator is charging correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.